Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are well and eagerly awaiting today's English class. I hope you enjoy the presentations and the videos that I sent to you on English term. Today, what are we going to discuss? Can you guess? See the picture. This is a hint. What do you see? A lady is tick marking something on paper. What is it? Yes, you are right. It is a list. So today we discuss the topic list making. It is a very simple but a very important topic. So pay attention. The contents today are: what is a list? How do we write lists? Why do we make a list? And I also have some sample lists for you. So let us begin with the first topic, which is: what is a list? A list is a record of short pieces of information such as people's names, articles of clothing, food items, etc. List can be anything. Examples of lists that you might see in your daily life include list of names of students in your class. You might have helped your teacher in making name lists of students in your previous classes. List of grocery items to be purchased from provision store. Your mommy might be making such lists every month before actually going to the store to purchase provisions for the month. List of contacts in your mobile phone is also a list. So, if we look around us, we will find lists of something or the other everywhere around us. Now, the next question arises: how do we write lists? Well, it is very simple. A list is the most simple thing to write. We usually write lists with a single thing on each line. Two things are never written on the same line. You can see here the picture of a checklist. On every line, we will write a single item. That is the only thing to remember while writing a list. Why do we make a list? Making a list is a good way to remember things. Organizing your tasks with a list can make everything much more manageable. Believe me, children, if you get into the habit of making lists, you will never find chaos around you. List making tasks easy to do, bring order to chaos, help us to remember, and since there is no chaos and we don't forget things, they also relieve a lot of stress. So, children, from today, make it a habit to make a list of all important things or articles that you want to buy. Now, let us discuss some sample lists. What do you see in the pic here? Yes, it's a cake. So, what is this list for? Make a list of ingredients to make a cake. If you want to bake a cake, what are the things you might need? Before actually going to the market to purchase, it's a good idea to make a list. Let us see what the list contains. You will need some flour, chocolate, sugar, butter, baking powder, cream, cocoa solids, caramel, sprinkles, and icing sugar. So this is a list of the items that we may need to make a cake. Then this is another list for you. Make a list of things you will need when you go on a picnic. Wow, I can see a smile on all of your faces. Picnic, isn't it very enjoyable? So what are the things you will need? List of things we will need on a picnic. Mat, eatables. What are the eatables you enjoy? Chips, biscuits, fruits, chocolates. You can add some more of your choice. Beverages, juice, cold drinks. Lunch, sandwiches, burgers. Again, you can add items of your choice. Water bottle, disposable plates and glasses, board games like Ludo or maybe chess. Then a Bluetooth speaker. You would enjoy music on a picnic, a mobile phone, and also a power bank. Here you can add whatever items you think I might not have added. Then another list here. Make a list of things you will need to make a greeting card. So list of things needed to make a greeting card. First of all, paper, pencil, eraser, scale, scissors, pencil colors, glitter pens, colored tape, glue. Again children, you can add whatever items you wish to add in the list. Isn't it very simple and interesting as well? Well, here are your home assignments. Read the PowerPoint presentation carefully. Read the text from your book. Write all the above mentioned question and answers related to lists in your grammar copies. Write all the sample lists in your grammar copies. Make a list on your own on the topic. So this is your homework. Make a list of 10 things you will need while going for a vacation to your favorite hill station. Again, I can see that smile coming on your faces when I say vacation and hill station. So I know already certain things might be coming to your head. Quickly write them down. You just need 10 things. Happy learning, children. Happy writing. Stay well. Bye.